fun robot. I'm super excited to put together with you.
Me too.
Okay. Got the robot all built, and now we're ready to play. So it comes with a remote and an app that you can use, so you have both to choose from, which is really fun. So it also has a little program you can do. You can add it and you can save things. And right here, all you're gonna do is you're gonna be dragging things up to make them work, and you can connect them together just like this. And then you can, when you're finished with it, you'll just take the end right here and a start right here. You'll want to make sure you're connected, and you'll push play, and it will do what the commands you put in, like that. So this robot building kit's lots of fun, super easy to put together, and it's really fun. You have a remote, or you can do a fun app with many different things on the app that you can control it with. So it's great for kids that like to build things and have fun with remote controls.